Dear friends, today's topic is Google search by our own voice or search by Google by voice, right? Or Google search by voice. Just you speak to Google, it will reply back, right? In order to do that, what you have to do is you have to open this Google first of all, right? Then there is an icon, search by voice. Click that, okay? In order to activate the Google search by our own voice, okay? Just click it and listen to the questions which I ask Google and the reply that you get, okay? Just click it. What is meant by learning? Just wait a minute. What is meant by learning?
This is the definition of learning: the acquisition of knowledge or skills through study, experience, or being taught.
Okay, next question. What is meant by technology?
This is the definition of technology: the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry.
Okay, let us ask next question. What is intelligence?
Here's the definition of intelligence: the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills.
What is internet?
According to Britannica, the internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world.
So whenever you want to ask questions, you need to click it, click the search by voice icon and then ask questions, okay? Let us ask some other questions after clicking this. What is voice technology?
According to Wikipedia, speech recognition is an interdisciplinary subfield of computer science and computational linguistics that develops methodologies and technologies that enable the recognition and translation of spoken language into text by computers.
What is machine learning?
According to Wikipedia, machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience and by the use of data.
Who is the head of Google?
The CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai.
What do you know about coronavirus?
According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, COVID-19 symptoms include cough, fever or chills, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, muscle or body aches, sore throat, new loss of taste or smell, diarrhea, headache, new fatigue, nausea or vomiting and congestion or runny nose.
How to avoid coronavirus?
According to protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions, follow advice provided by your local health authority. World Health Organization.
What is the latest information about coronavirus?
According to the COVID-19 vaccines page on pib.gov.in, the current vaccines are the Covaxin vaccine, and finally, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. These drugs are being used as vaccines for COVID-19, limited to specific populations, for informational purposes only. Consult your local medical authority for advice.
What is the meaning of perseverance?
This is the definition of perseverance: persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success.
Let us ask another question. What is motivation?
According to Wikipedia, motivation is a driving factor for actions, willingness, and goals.
Now let us ask some mathematical questions. What is the value of 100 divided by 2?
The answer is 50.
What is the value of 50 multiplied by 2?
50 by 2 is 100.
What is the value of 100 minus 50?
The answer is 50.
What is the value of cos 0?
The answer is 1.
What is the value of pi?
Pi is 3.142.
What is the capital of Tamil Nadu?
Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu.
What is the capital of India?
New Delhi is the capital of India.
Who is the President of India?
The President of India is Ram Nath Kovind.
What is his age?
He's 75 years old.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
What is his age?
He's 70 years old.
Who is the President of USA?
The President of the United States of America is Joe Biden.
What is the age of Joe Biden?
He's 78 years old.
Who is the President of China?
The President of China is Xi Jinping.
What is his age?
He's 75 years old.
Sorry. What is the age of President of China?
He's 67 years old.
Okay, right. What is the temperature now?
It's 28 degrees in Tirupur right now.
Super. Will it rain today?
Probably not. Today in Tirupur, there's only a low chance of rain.
Will it be hot tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Tirupur expect a high of 33 degrees and a low of 26 degrees.
What is the time now?
The time is 8:39 p.m.
Okay, Google has answered all the questions, right? Let us ask few more questions. What are the top news stories now?
Here's a summary from ndtv.com. Top stories. Row over IIM Calcutta draft code for barring public airing of views by teachers. India, China hold 11th round of military talks in eastern Ladakh. Report, and more.
Who is the richest person in the world?
Jeff Bezos, according to some information I found on Visual Capitalist.
Who is the richest person in India?
Mukesh Ambani. According to India.com, top 10 richest Indians and their net worth, Mukesh Ambani is the richest Indian with net worth amounting to 83 billion United States dollars.
Okay, then something about images, let us ask. Display some Taj Mahal images.
Showing pictures that match.
Display Parliament of India images.
Showing pictures that match.
Okay, let us ask another question. What is the difference between aptitude and attitude?
According to Forum IAS blog, aptitude is the potential ability to acquire skills, abilities and knowledge. It is more about management of a problem or situation. Attitude is a positive or negative or indifferent feeling towards a person, object, event or idea.
what are the recent technologies available now?
Here's a summary from Upgrade. Latest technology trends of 2021. Artificial intelligence, data science, Internet of Things, blockchain, robotic process automation, virtual reality, edge computing, and intelligent apps.
Will technology overtake human beings?
According to Business Models Inc., yes, robots will replace humans for many jobs, just as innovative farming equipment replaced humans and horses during the Industrial Revolution.
Okay, thank you so much. Google search plus one. Okay, super. Try it. I request those who are watching this video to use your own voice to search in Google and try to utilize maximum of the technology already existing. Right? Instead of typing in the screen, just you can use this search by voice. You can speak to Google and you can get the output. Okay. Thank you so much.